Greetings from Fairfield.
That's my line.
That's true.
Hey, hello everybody, and a special Thanksgiving greetings from Fairfield, Iowa. Well, if you're new to joining, welcome to our home. I'm Rich.
I'm Kendra.
And well, when we're not decorating for the holidays, we're trying to attempt to restore the school of Victorian House. So in this special Thanksgiving episode, we thought we'd share what we're most thankful for.
I'm thankful for you.
I'm thankful for you. And well, we're thankful for you. You know, so to all of our viewers, left likes and comments, and have been following us on our journey of restoring this house. We truly appreciate it, and we're very thankful for you joining along.
And if you haven't subscribed, there's a button down here. It's either in front of him or in front of me. You can push it and subscribe pretty easy.
And there it is. We're also very thankful for the previous owners that came before us. And so, you know, last week when we put up the old light in the bedroom, we were thankful that they saved those original light fixtures.
Yes, so we could restore them. And
so we could put them back up. And we were also thankful for the previous owners who had pictures of where those lights went and what they look like. And so that kind of brings us to today's episode, because we're going to kind of focus on those previous owners, and you know, because we're extremely thankful for all the work that they did while they were here. They bought the house in 2002, and with a 5-year plan of just stepping in to save the house because it was really falling into disrepair.
I think they actually stayed in a whole 9 years at that point.
It was 9 years. So they bought the house in 2002, and they sold it in 2011. So they almost doubled their stay here, and they're the sweetest couple. We've run into them at the store. They've come to visit and you know, share stories and photographs of their work here at the house. And it's just been an absolute joy, you know, working with them and hearing their stories about the house. So many of old houses around here are falling in disrepair and ended up getting torn down. So they really stepped in at a time when the house needed the most work, because, you know, thankful that they did all this work, and well, we didn't have to, because it's hard to say if the house would still be standing, because they re-roofed, they rebuilt all 4 chimneys.
The masonry said they could remove each brick one by one, because what's that stuff called?
Mortar.
The mortar was completely gone, and it was just letting the wind blow through it.
They repainted, and they put in a new boiler, so instead of just ripping out all the old radiators, they put in a new boiler so all the original radiators would continue radiating and heating the entire house. You know, a lot of people just come in and just rip all that stuff out, and you know, paint all the woodwork, and they painted some of the woodwork. We're going to forgive them there because it's been relatively easy to remove. So, but they did strip a lot of paint. They did about half the work there. So we're very thankful for that. And again, mostly, you know, thankful for all the big heavy lifting that they did. And just to show you the scope of that, here's a little sample of what that looked like and why we're so thankful.
I've got plenty to be thankful for. I haven't got a great big yacht to sail from shore to shore. Still I've got plenty to be thankful for. I've got plenty to be thankful for. No private car, no caviar, no carpet on my floor. Still I've got plenty to be thankful for. I've got eyes to see with, ears to hear with, arms to hug with, lips to kiss with, someone to adore. How could anybody ask for more? My needs are small, I buy 'em all at the 5 and 10 cent store. Oh, I've got plenty to be thankful for. I've got eyes to see with, ears to hear with, arms to hug with, lips to kiss with, someone to adore. How could anybody ask for more? My needs are small, buy 'em all at 5 and 10 cent store. Oh, I've got plenty to be thankful for.
That was fun, huh? That was a lot of work. So thanks again to those previous owners and, well, to all the owners that have owned this house and have worked on it throughout the years. And, well, now it's our turn. So thanks for watching and have a happy Thanksgiving.
Bye.